bidding at a foreclosure auction can be very interesting, and there are three scenarios we'll look at. The first is if excess money is bid. So let's take an example where a property is worth $200,000 in its current condition, and the loan on the property is only $100,000. So many of us, myself included, might be interested in buying that property and paying even more than the $100,000 that's owed to the lender. So let's say the high bidder bids $125,000. In that case, the $100,000 first mortgage is going to be paid off, but the extra $25,000, that excess money goes to the borrower, goes to the mortgagor, or if it's a deed of trust, to the trustor. The second possibility is quite common actually, and that there are no other bidders other than the lender. So let's say we've got that $200,000 value, but the loan on it is $180,000. So very few, if any, investor bidders would be bidding in $180,000 or higher. So let's say the lender, since the lender is owed the $180,000 and has that much credit, the lender bids in what the lender is owed, $180,000, and in that circumstance, the lender winds up with the trustee's deed if it's a non-judicial foreclosure, or if it's a judicial foreclosure, the lender gets the sheriff's certificate and then waits the 6-month redemption period after that to get the sheriff's deed. The third possibility is that the property is over-encumbered. The lender decides that the lender doesn't want the property and will take whatever the lender can get. So let's take that $200,000 value and let's assume the first mortgage on it is $250,000, and the high bid is only $150,000. In that circumstance, there's a deficiency of $100,000, and in that situation, the lender could go into court and ask the court to place a judgment against the borrower for the $100,000 deficiency. This is Jim Hogan. Thanks for listening, and please remember to subscribe to our channel.